Assalamu alaikum everybody. In this video I am going to show you how to make the most delicious and the most creamy pesto pasta. Sit back, relax and enjoy the video. For this recipe you're going to need the following ingredients: 750 grams or 1.65 pounds of pasta, 60 grams or 2.11 ounces of Italian parsley, Italian basil, cashews and pine nuts, 2 green chilies, 1 full head of garlic peeled, 1 block or 250 grams or 8.82 ounces of feta cheese, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. So the first step is to toast the nuts on a medium to high heat. We'll start with the cashew nuts. This will deepen the flavor of the nuts. You only need to toast these for about 20 to 30 seconds or until they start picking up some color and they turn golden brown. Keep moving them in the pan or otherwise they will burn quickly. The next step is to infuse the olive oil with the aroma of the garlic. To achieve this, pour the olive oil into a medium-sized pot, add the garlic to the pot and cook this on a medium flame until the garlic becomes golden brown and the oil is infused with the aroma of the garlic. This will not only deepen the flavor of the garlic but also it will take away the raw edge away from the garlic. This step is totally optional since it is not part of the original recipe. Now the next step can be done in a pestle and mortar. However, you can also use a high-powered blender or a food processor. Here I opted for a blender. The ingredients can be added in any order. This will not matter as ultimately all of this will become a smooth paste. And here it is how the final pesto looks like. As you can see, it is significantly creamier than your original pesto. The next step is to boil some pasta, which I don't think I need to explain it to you, but for those of you who don't know, all you have to do is to pour enough water into the pot. The minimum amount of water recommended is 1.8 times the weight of the pasta, since this is the minimum amount of water required for pasta to absorb it. Also, make sure you salt the pasta water. This will help the water boil faster and it will also season the pasta. Once the boiling point has been reached, drop in the pasta and cook it 1 minute less than what is instructed on the packaging. This will give you perfectly al dente pasta and the remaining cooking will be done in the pan with the pesto sauce. Make sure you separate some pasta water which has been enriched with all the starch from the pasta. This water will be used later on to thicken the pesto sauce. Once the pasta is al dente, drain it and leave it aside. Next, in a large pan, add some of the pasta water followed by some of the pesto. Cook this for 10 to 20 seconds on a medium heat and stir vigorously to emulsify the sauce. Add the pasta to the pan, stir well to combine everything or until the pasta is fully cooked. You can serve this however you want. I opted for a large casserole. I decided to garnish the pasta with some chili flakes. Alternatively, you can garnish it with some fresh basil leaves. Finally, this is what the final product looks like. So this is it from me. Well done. Fi amanullah.